They filed a motion that said I'm supposed to remove her. They think I get to decide who's Mr. Demons' lawyer is, not Mr. Demons. I couldn't agree with that. I couldn't disagree with that more.
They basically said, no, Raven Liberty can't be his lawyer anymore. What?
As the court, you have an obligation to ferret out what the conflict is so that we can make an informed decision. Right now, we can make no decision. Right now, we can file no motions because we don't know whether we're subject to the conflict at all. Right now, our hands are tied. It's up to the court. You're the gatekeeper for all. I'm imploring the court to find out what the nature of the conflict is so that we can advise our client. Right now, you're just saying to our client, hey, the state says there's a conflict, so you could get rid of your lawyer or keep your lawyer. That's not enough. That's not a Sixth Amendment protections. You want him to make a decision in a vacuum. This is a murder case.
Sir, with all due respect, this isn't a vacuum. He can sit down with Miss Liberty, and you can sit down with Miss Liberty. She's well aware of who she's emailed. She's well aware who she's called. She's well aware of what's on these records. So talk to your. It's incumbent on you all to fully inform your client. That's not my job. That's your job.
Well, they can't even talk to him. How about that? Miss Liberty can't even fucking sit in a room with them. There's to be a goddamn divider. How about that, Judge? The lady being investigated can't even talk to him in a private room. They don't know the group chats and shit that they have. You know what I mean? Like, there's probably group chats with all the lawyers.
Demon's best interest, but it's in her best interest. You all know what you're doing. I'm not going to do your job. You have to do your job.
No job, Judge. With all due respect, I want you to do your job. And I don't believe the court is. I think the court is shirking its responsibility.
I disagree with you, sir, but you can file whatever appropriate written motion you want. I'll give you a hearing on it, and then you can seek appellate authority to a higher court if you think I've done something wrong.
Thank you.
Yikes. Things are getting heated, boys. What?
Will the court at least inquire from the state if the investigation is still ongoing as we sit here today?
It is ongoing. They told you that the last time.
You said that last time, yeah.
It's still ongoing.
It's still ongoing, yes.
And have there been other search warrants and affidavits? That doesn't cut it, Judge.
They said, hold on, sir. Again, with all due respect, they told you the last time, on the record, it was regarding this case. Because I said, are you investigating Miss Liberty regarding alleged criminal conduct that has to do with this case, that has to do with Mr. Demons? And they said, yes. File a motion to compel under 3.220.
Okay, we will.
With particularity, tell the state this is what I want. Either they're going to give it to you or not, and if they don't, set it for a hearing.
There she is. I have a feeling this next trial is going to be real messy here, boys. All right, that's pretty much it for today's video. This trial is a complete shit show like it has been for, what, fucking 6 years. Hit subscribe. Love you guys. Peace out, man.